Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we are going to explore the Lemon8 app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Lemon8 is a lifestyle and content sharing app created by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It's like a mix of Pinterest and Instagram where users share posts about fashion, beauty, food, travel, fitness and more. Unlike TikTok, it focuses on aesthetic images, carousels and detailed captions, perfect for inspiration and community sharing. Now to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So open up your App Store, then search Lemon8 on the search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened up, sign up with the email, phone or social media account, then choose your interests like beauty, travel, food, fashion, fitness. The app will then customize your home feed with content that matches your preferences. Inside the home feed, you'll see the curated posts in different categories. Scroll to explore posts from creators around the world. Tap on a post to see full pictures, swipe through carousels and read detailed captions. You can like, comment or save posts for later inspiration. To find a specific content, tap the search or discover tab right at the bottom of your page. Right here you can see the search icon. Tap on that. Browse trending categories like beauty hacks, outfit ideas or recipes. You can use the search bar to look for keywords or hashtags. It is perfect if you are looking for specific style guides or lifestyle tips. One of the best features of Lemon8 is that you can create and share your own content. Tap the plus button right here at the bottom of your page to start a post. Then upload photos or videos from your gallery. Add captions, stickers or templates to make your post stand out. Add hashtags to reach more people. Finally, publish your post and share your lifestyle ideas with the community. On your profile tab, you can see your post, edit your bio and profile pictures. Here's the profile tab right at the bottom of your page on your right. Then check your followers and who you are following. You can also view any posts you have saved for later under your collection. Lemon8 encourages the interaction, so don't forget to like and comment on posts, follow creators you enjoy, build your own community by engaging with others regularly. And that is how you can use the Lemon8 app. I hope you guys like this video, like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.